Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your headlights, blinker light, and all the lights you would need to on your front of your Nissan Rouge. So here we have headlight. This is your low beam. You got your high beam headlight, and right in here is the blinker. I'll turn that on in a second. These lights right here are just accent type lights, which are daytime runners. Right, but these lights here are LED, and so if they go out or if the thing is broken, you replace the whole unit, as well as this side marker light on the front. This is also LED, so these are built into the headlight assembly, and so you would replace the whole assembly to replace those. But fortunate, the low beam, the high beam, and the blinker light are able to be replaced without removing the whole bumper and light assembly. So that's when you've got the blinker on, and so your blinker is right here, high beam, low beam, and then these are just side marker and your daytime runners right there. So we'll go over how you replace these. There's a few things you need to remove on the back to be able to replace the lights themselves, but this is your lighting assembly, and we'll go over how you replace those. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.